How to log out Snapchat account from all other devices. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. So for this, open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile at the upper left corner. Next, tap on this gear-like icon at the upper right corner to open the settings. Now from the settings, tap on two-factor authentication. Next up, you can select either text verification or in some devices you'll find SMS option, so tap on it. Once you've done this, a 6-digit verification code would be sent to the number that is associated with your account. And once this done, tap on continue. You can skip this. Next, tap on forget all devices. There it is. If you want to log out from all the devices, tap on forget all devices. If you want to log out from any particular device, then tap on this cross mark next to the device. And that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.